Hi everyone and welcome to 5 minute session. Today we will discuss all possible conditional formatting that we can do in the Google Sheets, either in the same sheet or on the basis of the other sheet. So let's begin this tutorial. Okay, let's see how we can apply the conditional formatting. For this, select the range where you want to apply it. Now right click on it and click on View More Cell Actions and then Conditional Formatting. You can also do by clicking on Format and then Conditional Formatting, whichever you find easy to use. Okay, a window has been appeared on the right side where we have few options. On the top there are two options. One is single color and the other is the color scale. Let's first discuss single color. Below is the range where conditional formatting will be applied, and also you can change from here. Below you have presets formatting rule. Depending upon the requirement you can use, or you can also use your own custom condition based on formula. Below is the formatting tab. Whichever the formatting you want to do, you can. Let's apply a quick formatting rule to see its application, and I am here applying that highlight all the cells where values are greater than 100 and the cell will remain the green. Click done and the conditional formatting applied. And the beauty of the conditional formatting is where you have a very large amount of data or report to analyze, then conditional formatting helps you in analyzing that effectively and in easy way. Now make a little bit complex scenario and I need to see whose salesperson name is duplicate in the data, but there is no presets duplication rule available in the Google Sheets. So we have to do this by using the custom formula. Click on the custom formula. Now the logic comes that we will count the name in the column, and if that count exceeds with 1, then that should be highlighted. So equal count if parenthesis start, give range, comma, condition that is my first cell, A2, parenthesis close, should be greater than 1, then click on done. Now you can see all the duplicate values now being highlighted in the column, which make it clear that there is some data in the table which is duplicate. Now take another scenario that I want to give the criteria on the basis of another sheet. Here I have another blank sheet. But moving further, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to keep yourself informed about the latest tutorials. Okay, in this sheet I'm writing a number 100. Now back to my original sheet where I have the data and I want to highlight the profit that is greater than the value 100, which I have right in other sheet. Here I will take help of import range function. And if you don't know how to use the import range function, then you can easily find in my tutorials. So let's first make formula and bring that value in this sheet. Okay, value is here. And now copy the entire formula without equal sign and then add another rule, which is custom formula. That G2 is greater than the other sheet, and I'm pasting the formula which I have copied earlier. Now click on done and paste this cell format on the other cells, and you can see where there is the value greater than 100 has been highlighted. Okay, here I have another data, and this is a kind of heat map that how many of workers will be available in each hour in a week. So I want to make all values highlighted on the basis of color scale. So select the data and then click on add another rule and the color scale. If you can see, there is the preview available and there are options that what will be minimum, mid and max point, and also you can set color by yourself. In this case I want to give minimum number is 0, mid number is 13 and the max number is 26, and then click on done. And now this is the way very easy for a person to read this heat map of workers in a single glance. This is it for today. Hope you have learned from this tutorial, and if you have learned, please do like, comment and share, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, good care.
feel